Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. So, people's been asking me about the update, about my keyboard that I built. So, basically, this is my custom keyboard. If you don't know what this is the GK61. I'm going to tell you basically what I have on this keyboard and everything that's on it. So, basically, this is a metal, what is it? Anodized, CNC keyboard case, which is pink, which is a rose red. It does have feet standards on towards it. The keycaps that I have right here is the Miami front OME. That the Legends is actually in the front, as you can see right here. These are the Miami keycaps. Uh, has a little bit of shine through on it. Also, the plate that I also have on here is a blue custom plate. And for my stabilizers, is using Costar stabilizers, which I'm not really a big fan of, but it gets the job done because this custom plate that I have on here can't use standard stabilizers, so has to use co-stars. On the PCB on here is a GK61, so yeah. So that's basically what I have on this USB Type C. As you can see, the entry point right here. So that's it. Now, if y'all see my live stream on here, y'all seen that I actually did a nice little stream, and it was basically okay with everything. Now, I am using this as my standard keyboard as we speak right now. Let me just do a fast little type real quick. Open up Notepad for you guys really fast so y'all can hear exactly what's going on. Okay, so I did a nice little thing. I changed out the switches. Basically the switches that I have on here is Kailh what's it, Kailh purple speeds. So that's what I basically have on here. Now, I do like my optical switches a little bit better. It does has a better press on it. I'll get into that a little bit different, but I'm not going to do it on this video. But a lot of you guys is probably asking why I have this custom cable. Now I do have a custom cable that has an aviator on it, but I'm not going to go into that. We're not talking about this. I just wanted my setup to go more off the Miami, so I actually did a nice little Chinese staircase braid with some blues and blacks and towards it on paracord. Then I did this also right here with a little bit of cotton candy into some blues, navy blues, whites, and stuff like that. So it matches my keyboard perfectly. Like I said, I have co-stars on here. I really don't like the stabilizers like that because it does wobble, and when I'm gaming, it does pop off. So I have to be very careful how I press the space bar and stuff like that. Once you get everything situated, I do like the fact that it has no wobble because I actually got it on here. What I was thinking about doing was actually gluing the stabilizers in it, so I don't have to worry about the stabilizers popping off. But I don't want to do that because I may want to take these keycaps and put it on a different board at a later time. So I don't really want to, take the glue, glue it into it or hot glue and stuff like that. Only thing I don't really like about this is because I need to lubricate my switches. Right here is actually a blue switch because one of my switches actually broke. I'm gonna actually take it out and re-swap it back out and put a purple stem inside of it and just swap it out like that. But this is a blue clicky, as you can hear. This is a regular speed, and you can't even hear any sound whatsoever on these purple speeds. I can hear it. It just has a little bit of that rattle. That's because I don't have it lubricated, but I am going to lube it up soon just so I can get rid of some of that, you know, that sound. I'm just going to lube it up when I get a chance to. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like clicky. This is what it sounds like with purple speeds. This is what it sounds like regular. So we're going to do a nice little type test so you can actually hear exactly how it sounds. Okay, guys. So that's that right there. Tell me how y'all like it. This is my custom made GK61 board. I'll put the links in the description where you can buy all the spots at. I'll actually put it in multiple websites where you can get it at. You can get this on Amazon, and you can also get this at AliExpress because they do sell it. The seller that actually sells this whole thing is on AliExpress also and Amazon. I'd rather just do more business with AliExpress than Amazon like that. But I'll put all the links in the description for all the parts that I purchased. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace, and I'm out.